At its core, value-add marketing is defined by its ability to deliver more than your customers are expecting. It's an empathetic approach that seeks to delight customers by giving them more than they expect or pay for, emphasizing your brand's desire to deliver value instead of simply making money. And in this video, we'll tell you about value-add marketing. But before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and click on the notification icon so you'll get notified when we upload the next video. 11. Added value as a marketing strategy. Added value does not necessarily mean monetary value, though it can. Added value in marketing means customers receive something that has value to them. This can be true even if it is no cost to you or the company. Added value can mean repeat customers, brand loyalty, and choosing your product over the competition. Understanding your customer base and what is important to them is key to deciding what you can give to them that they will regard as a value. 10. Value-added marketing explained. Value-added marketing is defined as delivering more than your customers are expecting through content and experiences. Because of this, value-added marketing, which make no mistake is marketing, cuts through ad clutter and overflowing email boxes. Business 2 Community says, value-added marketing brings marketing to an entirely new level by turning marketing content into a product of its own. As more and more brands adopt this attitude, we are stepping into the next stage of marketing evolution, one that puts customers first, understands the importance of going the extra mile, and emphasizes perceived value to the customer over pure revenue. There are many examples of value-added marketing, including these standouts. Lego's online community where customers can submit ideas for new Lego sets, vote on ideas, and get a percentage if their idea becomes a product. Nike's Nike Plus Training Club, which offers free group workouts and a free app with guided workouts. Marriott's short films that are entertaining and professional in every way, and reach customers despite ad and content clutter. Watch here. Many brands don't have the budget for films and apps, but digital agencies can still get into the value-added marketing game. Other types of value-added marketing that may be more universal include expert advice and blog content, educational content such as how-to videos and webinars, discount coupons for repeat customers or a rewards program, surprise samples and free products, priority service and shipping, special experiences that make sense for the brand, like brick-and-mortar stores becoming a place to try out products, engage in on-site entertainment, and become a place to return online orders. The important takeaways are, what you offer needs to be perfectly in line with your core services and values. What you offer should not contradict your core services and values. It should feel like a natural extension of your brand. What you offer must be of value to your customers. Most importantly, you want to ensure the content and/or experiences you offer will help your customers do their jobs better. 9. Why value-added marketing matters. Value-added marketing is expected to become more important in the next few years. Here are 4 reasons why. It can be challenging to get potential customers' attention. Thales Teixeira, a former professor at Harvard Business School, calculated that the cost of attention has jumped 7 to 9-fold since 1990, making it the most dramatic business expense increase in the past 25 years. A solution to this attention problem is value-added marketing, which, because it has true value, allows you to gain customers' attention and more effectively use your ad dollars and your marketing budget. Value-added marketing improves current and potential customer loyalty and retention. Retaining customers is vital for running a profitable business, as it costs 5 times more to bring in a new customer than to retain one. Value-added marketing helps build your reputation as an expert so you're not competing on price alone. As Drew McClellan of Agency Management Strategy says, you need the confidence to know that you have something of value to offer, and you need to demonstrate your expertise to clients. Value-added offerings can be used in gated lead generation efforts to entice potential customers to provide their name, email, business name, etc. to your email or sales lists. 8. Look at your business through the eyes of your customer. Since the major idea of value-added marketing is to bring extra value to customers, the first step a brand should take is to define what in particular would be considered valuable for its target audience. This is where looking at things from a customer's perspective comes into play. Walking a mile in your customer's shoes is crucial for understanding their pains, wants, and needs. This information is essential for creating a quality value-added proposition. Once a brand starts to understand its audience, it becomes a lot easier to come up with ideas that will eventually turn this brand into a customer-centric one. To see your brand or a brand of your client from a customer's perspective is tricky but possible. Be creative, talk to return customers, and ask what makes them return. Talk to one-time customers to find out why they never came back. Ask your friends and family to use your product or service and give honest feedback. 7. recognize the importance of content marketing. Like it or not, content reigns supreme. This is especially true now when the fight for customers' attention becomes increasingly tough. Being a manufacturer or a service provider is no longer enough. To win the fight for customer attention, money, and loyalty, a brand needs to become a trustworthy source of information and support. Naturally, useful and interesting marketing becomes paramount. Producing sportswear? Help your customers learn the principles of healthy workouts, educate them on the topic of sports nutrition, support their efforts to become fit by creating motivational communities, or shooting inspirational videos. The bottom line is that you will create content that will build and support your authority in the field within which you are operating. Become a source of information your customers will rely on, earn their trust, and you will earn their loyalty too. 6. Incorporate the voice of customers into decision making. As a business owner or a marketer, you are likely inclined to look at things from a purely money-making perspective. While there is nothing inherently wrong with this mindset, it can make you unable to see obvious areas for improvements. While you are the driver of long-term strategic vision for your company, getting their demands and understanding your customers. The truth is that nobody knows a product or service better than its customers, not even brand owners or marketers themselves. That's why it's so important to let customers speak up, listen to what they say, no matter good or bad, and base major strategic and marketing decisions on their opinions and views. How to translate this into action? Well, it's fairly simple. Try focus groups, online polls, competitions, test drives. 5. A final word about value-added marketing. As the old marketing adage goes, people don't buy products or services, they buy solutions to their problems. If you wonder how to be a better marketer, build your marketing strategy with this thought in mind. Brands and marketers should recognize that going the extra mile is the new normal and will produce the best ads in the long run. Educating customers and helping them grow, supporting them with extra service or advice, and making decisions based on their feedback is the only way to win today's marketing fight. 4. Free shipping. Free shipping is something that can be extremely appealing to customers and can make the difference between whether they buy from you or from your competitor. Companies often receive highly discounted shipping rates, so it is not very much loss of revenue to provide customers with free shipping, especially if you set a benchmark of a certain purchase price point to receive the free shipping. Many big box stores offer free shipping to their retail store locations. This makes sense in that they already have shipments and trucks scheduled, so the cost to them is minimal, while the convenience factor is huge for the consumer. 3. Discounts and referral rewards. Another added value option is to offer customers discounts on their next order as part of their order receipt. Although this technically does cause some loss of revenue, it could lead to future orders when there would not have been otherwise and gives you the opportunity to foster brand loyalty. In addition, offering a discount or coupon to those who refer a customer to you helps to expand your customer base. In the long run, this can prove much more financially beneficial than losing a little bit of revenue in the short term. 2. Packaging and presentation. A professional packaging and presentation of your product can lead to added sales. Customers may compare your product packaging to others on the store shelf and opt to buy your product over the competitors if the packaging is more visually appealing. A polished product presentation can indicate a high-quality product as well, motivating customers to choose your items. 1. Collateral materials. Customers can find immense value in collateral materials accompanying your products. This could include in-depth instructions on how to use the products, tips and tricks for use, cleanup and prep, and suggestions for other uses of your product that the customer might not have thought of. You could also include pamphlets with customer testimonials, photos of how to set up the product, and even recipes if applicable. The printing would be of minimal cost to you and could be the added value necessary to create loyal customers. Do share with us in the comments what you know more about value-added marketing. Thanks for watching.